Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedging Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. Last night I introduced this is what I had projected yesterday morning for an ABC. Last night, we left with this, that this was a flat ABC type of correction, and that the flat had ABC 3 waves for A, ABC 3 waves for B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I said last night that our confidence rate was high, that the bottom was in because we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 subways for the wave of C, and that it is likely, if not already, that the bottom could be in. We did then a higher resolution last night where we counted then the 5 subways of the 5 of C itself. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gave us additional layer of confidence to say the bottom is most likely in, and that the price has turned, and that this was nothing but a healthy correction. And here we are this morning. My alternate count last night gave a little more room for possibility for one more lower low, but not required. This was my alternate count. We can remove that, I believe. I believe the bottom is in. We have completed A, B, C. And this correction is called a flat correction, a regular flat, 335. And the 335 represent the number of subways for A, 3, number of subways for B, 3, and the number of subways for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's next? I believe this is next. And we're going to impulse towards that. So our target next will be we will make, after wave 1 is complete, 2 is done, and after wave 3 starts, we will make new all-time new higher highs to 23,743. That is my current projection. Now, let's draw some patterns. There was clearly a triangle here. When in doubt, always draw lines to be able to discern patterns. Look at this beautiful triangle pattern. In fact, I could make, B here. And instead of an ABC, actually, you know what? I'm not going to change it. Never mind. It'll just confuse you. So we'll just leave it alone as it is. It's already passed. No need to try and recount the past when the future is well ahead of us. Okay. Now, I will share an alternate count with you because I think alternate counts provide awareness because this is not a crystal ball. There's no certainty in this. Technical analysis is nothing but a process of identifying as many possibilities, narrowing it down to a handful of probabilities, and then identifying your most likely and alternate future price pathways. So an alternate that I would see, perhaps I would say on the borderline of possibility and probability would be the following. And this is what I call forward discernment of price. That you look forward to see what pattern could be forecasted, what pattern could be recognized at its early stages. And if you are able to do that, then more power to you. And it can be a learned skill. Anyone can learn it. So I'm going to now draw a line like this, a little bit inclined. And what I'm forward discerning on something I'm going to watch out for is for price to do something like this. And if that happens, what we have potentially will be the left shoulder of Head and Shoulder, the right shoulder of Head and Shoulder top, and the head. Therefore, if this becomes a Head and Shoulders, it does have bearish implications. No, it's not. Doesn't mean that Bitcoin is going to crash to zero. That's very silly to even conceive right now. There are many analysts out there who every day are calling for the top, and every day they fail. They are more wrong than a broken clock. And that's doing quite a bit of disservice to people who actually might follow that analysis. So if this is Head and Shoulders top, it is something to watch out for. Let's keep a close eye on it. Again, I'm putting this on a borderline of possibility and probability. That is why it is my alternate count.